a rattling sound when you drive. There's many answers that could be if there was a bad installation and the windshield is vibrating against something, or if the trims on the outside were not applied correctly, they could be vibrating from the wind. Also, on a roof job we had done, there was magnets that hold the roof liner inside to the glass that was installed, and one of our technicians didn't catch an extra magnet, and so it had reverse polarized, and therefore it was actually pushing the magnet away, and it would hit during bumps and create a rattling sound. But after taking it out and catching that, this problem went away.